each other. Today we celebrate here discoveries that have demonstrated that the neutrino, a common but tiny elementary particle, can change identity and have mass. Discoveries that has elucidated sophisticated machinery capable of repairing our DNA, without which life would not be possible. And discoveries that has identified new treatments for parasitic diseases and malaria that are saving millions of lives. We also celebrate literature that in a polyphonic manner describes sufferings and courage, and an important economic analysis of consumption, poverty, and welfare. Alfred Nobel's vision was that the prizes he established would reward those who have conferred the greatest benefit to mankind. That is, those who have contributed to making the world a better place to live in. Alfred Nobel was a multifaceted person. He was a skillful chemist and had a laboratory in each of his homes where he performed experiments. He was a clever inventor with 355 patents, and he was an entrepreneur with factories all over the world. Alfred Nobel often expressed frustrations over problems related to his business activities, but found comfort and inspiration in research, literature, and culture. He was obsessed with the ideals of enlightenment and the search for knowledge, and he had a strong belief in fundamental human values. He would probably have reacted strongly to the threats we can see today against rationalism and peaceful interactions between people from different cultures. He would probably also be sad to learn that the nationalism and xenophobia that characterized the latter part of the 19th century when he lived still prevail in today's Europe, with profound consequence, for instance, the inability of European societies to deal with the ongoing refugee tragedy. Some of the scientific discoveries we celebrate today have already proved to be extraordinarily useful for mankind in the treatment of certain diseases. These examples illustrate that research can solve many problems and contribute to a better world. Other discoveries can be characterized as basic research, and even if their practical usefulness is not obvious for the moment, these findings are likely, directly or indirectly, to be proved useful in the future. Scientific history is full of examples of curiosity-driven basic research leading to discoveries that have unexpected usefulness, sometimes in new and different areas. Moreover, even if a discovery cannot be used to solve problems of different kinds, new knowledge about our universe, nature, our society, and ourselves has an intrinsic value and proves an essential contribution to the development of a better society. The importance of knowledge as such was nicely formulated by the physicist Robert Wilson. In 1969, he was questioned by a congressional committee about funding for the accelerator that was to become the Fermi National Laboratory in the US. He was asked, "Will this accelerator contribute